How to use credit balance in Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. First up, select the items that you want to purchase. Add those items to the cart. Just open the item, select the details, and then add it to the cart. Once you are done selecting and adding the items to the cart, you can head back. Now, head over to the U page. Once you're in the U page, you're gonna see the option of credit balance. Click on it. With that, you're gonna find the available credit balance over here. Now to use it, click on this option of use it now. With that, you're gonna see your cart page. Now you can select the items that you wanna purchase right away. Just check in for the items and then click on checkout. Now you can fill this, provide your details, shipping address, shipping method, likewise payment method. If you have any coupon code, you can click on this option of apply coupon code and type in over here. After you fill all these, click on the option of submit order, and just for that you have make your order using the credit balance in Temu. So this way you can easily use credit balance in Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.